Hey, it is Tuesday, the day after a long weekend. Had a wonderful time with my family at water parks and enjoying the sun. It wasn't as hot as normal, so that's good. The heat wave seems to have abated a little bit, so we are looking actually this morning when I woke up, it was 59 degrees where I live. So not bad as far as turning from summer to fall. But it's starting to heat up now that the day's coming on. I'm going to actually start today with Voltech, getting into Pocket Ace's DeFi project. They seem to be doing pretty good as far as picking. It's kind of like an ETF of DeFi where they invest in quite a few different things. I'm going to, the token sale is not up, so I'm going to actually go to the OTC. So I already connected my wallet. I'm going to go to their OTC. Found a pretty good deal right here. I'm going to make an offer on that. So with this one, you get 110 Volt tokens for 79 bucks, and this is 72 cents per Volt. So I'm going to go for that one, and I'll just keep checking back for some deals once in a while when people are desperate to get out or something. So I'm going to try this one. Okay, so we'll hit approved. Max number 80. I like how they give you a 0.75 there. Okay, confirm that. Transaction complete. Check out transaction. Buy offer. Waiting for transaction. Status expired. This order has been filled or canceled. So I guess it just took it off the. Let's check if it did. Yep, it's gone. This one's not bad. It's like 90 cents per. So we'll go to the home. We'll go to stake. Let's check out our MetaMask. 110 volt. I'm going to max out on the stake. Gotta approve it. $110. Success. Now I'm going to stake it and deposit. Confirm. My data deposited amount. So with my 110 volt, I got a 0.07% of the pool share. It doesn't even register as a penny an hour. But like I said, this is my initial. So we'll see how that goes. And then they said that they're taking the profits and putting 50% toward paying people and 50% in increasing, all the purchases and investments that they're doing. So it'll just grow from here. It'll just keep growing. So that's a pretty good idea. Hopefully that works out to where I'll start putting more money into this as we go. But for now, that's what I wanted to start with, and we'll see how that goes. And I'll keep looking at the OTC, seeing if there's some good deals that come in. That one's definitely not a good deal. It's over $1, under $1. So that one's pretty good. That one's really good. What is that one? 69 cents. Wow. I just didn't want to put in $1,000 right away. So that's a good one. Okay, so next I think I'm gonna do some more EMP, and I think I'll do 1.5 BNB per. I'm gonna buy EMP, connect to Pancake Swap. EMP is showing ETH. I gotta go to BNB, and I'll do 1.5 BNB will be 4,000 EMP. I'll swap that. Confirm swap. Flipping pancakes. We'll close that. Check out our wallet here. Just clicked over to almost 20,000 EMP. And remember, when Fusion comes out and we do the sacrifice, let's just do 20,000 times 0.47. It'll be like $9,400 in earning, which is awesome. I have 1.5 left, which I'm going to kick into elephant money. I'm going to buy from Bertha. Got 12 airdrop there. Let's go to elephant money. 13 billion. I'm going to buy with Bertha. Okay, 1.5. We're going to buy 1.45, I should say. Confirm. Okay. Check it out on BSC scan. Overview. Now I got 15.1 billion. All right, so there's adding more to my spot in elephant money. Let's just look at futures, probably a couple dollars more than Friday. Yeah, we're at $15 and unlimited. I got 10 million there. I might as well claim it so it starts earning some money. 0.007 fee for BNB. Okay, there it goes. So over the weekend, like every Monday, it seems like I get my payouts from the kickback from elephant money. I got 2 that added up to about 20 million, something like that. So that's just going back into my balance, which is wonderful. And elephant coins still just chugging along above 21, which is nice. Gotta get some more of those big pops like these green bars here. That'd be awesome. XRP has struggled for over the weekend, but we're gonna be rebounding here. Looks like it didn't go past this bottom part, which is nice. Might as well move these. And this one, we can go from here. So pretty soon it's gonna break any of these resistance levels and hopefully shoot up again. I don't know why it wouldn't. Of course, the whole market can go nuts as far as crypto and crash down even more. But this is the only one with clarity, so it'll be the one that grows. And it seems like they're getting more and more partners all the time as far as banks that are going to be using them. FedNow most likely will use them. So hopefully we'll see that going crazy. Over the weekend also, AM Systems the old crypto program, they actually updated their website. They include the profits now, so that's good. They're just continuing to work on that to get it completed. So I can't wait for that to be completely completed. Other than that, everything's looking good. Nothing bad to report. Ultimo, I'm gonna send some more money to Ultimo and withdraw it so I can put it in my bank account. But yeah, we're loving it. Wolf Capital, I heard something in the Discord and Telegram that they're probably gonna show like something on Friday as far as a payout, so that'll be nice. I got 24 days left for that one, for the 60-day staking there. So we'll hope to see some profits and see what they're actually going to start doing with this one. I know that they're still filling that gap, so I think that'll do it for today. Glad to be back and working, and it's always fun to have vacation, but I realized long ago that if you're not working, making money, you're spending money. How true is that, huh? So the more vacations you take, the more money you spend, but you got to keep working to earn the money so you can take vacations. All right. Well, we'll chat with you later. See you tomorrow. Bye.